In order to build an effective fence to prevent accidental grazing, you have to keep the following accessories: strainer, intermediate posts, drops and the well stretched tight between the strainers. Well, if you have all the accessories ready, let's start building the fence. Mark out the line of fence, keeping it as straight as possible to minimize pressure points. Every corner means another stay assembly, which is more expensive. Install end posts at least 1 meter in the ground. For maximum strength, the post needs to be driven into soil using a pilot hoe as a guide. This requires a tractor-powered post hole digger and driver. Alternatively, the hole can be dug by hand and the soil rammed back around the post using crowbar. In some unstable soil sites, it may be worth considering concreting the post into the ground. To get all intermediate posts aligned between two end posts, you can use an optical aid, such as an automatic level. Another method is to string a side wire or top wire between two strainers, shaking it to make sure it is lying straight on the ground, just as you might do with the strain line. When straining up prefabricated fences, it is wise to use multi-wire strainer. The strainer is fitted to a wire a few meters before the second strainer and the tension applied. This can be carried out with a tractor or four-wheel drive. After the first strain, the row needs to be lifted and shaken along its length to free it from any obstructions on the ground. The loose ends of the line wires can now be tied off on the second end assembly and the tension on the strainer released. A commonly used method of straining plain and prefabricated wire is to use gripples. A gripple is a wire tensioning device that fits on the fence, allowing the wire to be restrained at a later date. Then, using single wire strainers or a special gripple tool, the individual line wires can be tensioned at the joint of the rows. The final job is to tie off the line wires onto the post and the droppers. Remember that the finished product should be a quality fence capable for managing your livestock and preventing accidental grazing. So, good luck! Hope you can get the best fence.